All of us today are concerned about increased exposure to allergens, mold, VOCs, and air pollutants. Now, with ActivePure, you can eliminate these and other harmful contaminants in the air and surfaces in your home or office. ActivePure goes beyond traditional air purification systems and is the only air cleaning technology awarded the prestigious Certified Space Technology Seal of Approval by the Space Foundation. The Space Certification Program was created in cooperation with NASA. So how does ActivePure really work to protect you? Microscopic oxygen and water molecules in the air enter the purification unit and pass through the ActivePure honeycomb matrix. While inside, the molecules are transformed into friendly, yet powerful oxidizers. Once released, the molecules become supercharged purification warriors. Like an army on a mission, they seek to rapidly destroy contaminants, fungi, mold, and odor-causing bacteria, even ones that try to hide in cracks and crevices. In many cases, ActivePure is combined with ionization. To show our ActivePure technology at work, we create smoke in a sealed chamber that has no filtration. When we turn on our supercharged molecules, you can see the smoke swirl and then disappear, showing the charge cleaners at work. This is what the technology does to the microscopic impurities that you can't see in your air and on surfaces. ActivePure technology is entirely safe for both humans and pets, and the technology has been proven to be effective and powerful in leading university studies to eliminate numerous harmful contaminants. You may have even seen the widely published Harvard University study showing that improving air quality can help extend your lifespan. And who doesn't want that? So is ActivePure for you? Well, would you like to reduce your exposure to VOCs, gases, airborne matter, and their effects upon your health and wellness? Are you looking for relief from allergy and asthma symptoms? Are you concerned about odors from pets or other sources? How would you like to sleep better and feel better every day? Then ActivePure is for you. ActivePure is for everyone. ActivePure technology is used every day in homes across the world, as well as hotels, daycares, professional athletic facilities, and at the Liberty Bell and Ground Zero museums. ActivePure was created in the USA by a leading technology company with over 90 years of history that has been recognized by the Smithsonian. We own worldwide rights to this proprietary ActivePure technology, and it is the only certified space technology that works to continuously clean and protect air and surfaces 24 hours a day. ActivePure is available in a variety of products. Talk to your local distributor for more information or to have ActivePure installed in your home or business. Take advantage of this opportunity to make a difference in your life and the lives of those you care most about. Get ActivePure today.